how do you choose the right deodorant? There are several factors you have to consider before snagging yourself the perfect deo, and Nivea is going to help you with exactly that. Have a look.
Often ignored, odor can be a major hygiene problem that affects your confidence. Sweat doesn't directly cause body odor, but when it is broken down by bacteria, it leads to odor, the worst of which is concentrated in your arm area. This is where deodorants play their part. These products treat odor at their source, reduce sweat, and also kill odor-causing bacteria, leaving a mild fragrance. Many of us use perfume or a very strong deo to hide body odor with a strong fragrance. This doesn't help as it only masks the odor, which resurfaces hours later. Deodorants treat odor by killing the bacteria that cause it and should definitely be part of one's daily hygiene routine. Deodorant needs to be applied on skin to the odor source, the underarms, and not to clothing to do its job. Our underarms go through a lot: waxing, shaving, constant friction, and sweat. The skin here is delicate and needs the right care. Since there are so many to choose from, here's a handy guide to help you choose wisely. Spray deodorants are the perfect choice if you want your underarms to feel refreshed with a quick little spray. These are effective and keep odor at bay. If you want something more effective that works for others, choose a roll-on. They are extremely gentle and soothing. Before you apply them, make sure your underarms are totally dry because water can hamper their efficacy. If you have sensitive and delicate underarm skin, a product that is alcohol-free, long-lasting, and that does not irritate your skin. For smooth and beautiful underarms, consider using a product without alcohol like the Nivea Pearl and Beauty. For even-toned underarms, which are perfect for sleeveless tops, you can use whitening deodorants. If you want a soothing burst of freshness, then try Nivea Freshness deodorants.
I hope that gives you a more distinct picture of how to go about choosing a deodorant that's ideal for you. Nivea's gentle and caring deodorant range offers skincare plus day-long odor protection and includes a wide variety of options to choose from. So be sure to pick the right for yourself.